Hello everybody, this is Haidar Qasir talking to you. There will be two online ALSA training courses starting on Saturday and on Sunday in 10 days from now, the 30th of December and the 31st of December, intensive and regular. The lectures of the regular course will be on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays from 10 to 12 p.m., 25 to 30 sessions. Each session lasts for 1.5 hours to 2 hours. The lectures of the intensive course will be on Sunday, 4 to 6 lectures a week at 6 p.m., 25 to 30 sessions as well, which may take 5 to 8 weeks. Those who are interested may contact me on 0780 843 8341 via WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, or a phone call. Or you may just send me a message on Facebook. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.